And this deck here, it's in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's actually up north of Cincinnati in a town called Liberty Township. It's a suburb of Cincinnati. Just a few days ago, here, we're talking about insanely weathered wood. Thousands of cracks, splintering, and peeling Behr Deck Over everywhere. All over every surface on this entire structure. And that was just 3 days ago. So we fast forward 3 days, and here we are. We've got a fully restored, encapsulated, and locked down deck in the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor. My name's Anthony Ford. I'm the proprietor of the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor, and it's deck restoration painters, or what they call deck rescue painters, here in the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana area. Kong, an industrial grade, high build, high stretch, ultra tough, what we call lifetime deck armor system. It has a special ability. Not only can it encapsulate, lock down, and rebuild the surfaces of the most severely weathered decks on the planet. It's first in class at doing that. But not only can it do that, but it can also encapsulate and lock down peeling deck paint, flaking, disintegrating deck stain, healing Behr Deck Over, which is what this deck had. As a matter of fact, it can lock down and encapsulate any peeling deck paint. It doesn't matter if it's a thick deck coating like peeling Behr Deck Over, peeling Restore 10X, any of that type of stuff. It's engulf. We engulf everything in this high build, insanely adhesive, crazy tough deck armor that just engulfs and it plasters everything down into place. Any type of loose peeling, any of that type of stuff, all locked down for life, right? That's what Kong does. And that's its specification. That's what it's designed to do. Bring back the most severely weathered deck surfaces on the planet, lock down and encapsulate their peeling deck paints, peeling deck stains, without the need for sanding, without the need for chemical peels, without the need for any of that high labor, high cost preparation that would normally be needed to restore decks like this. And what that does is it gives the homeowner a chance. It gives them something that they can know is quality as far as a coating wise to come in and restore their decks, because once their decks get to the point where they got peeling Behr Deck Over everywhere and severely weathered wood, they no longer believe in the thin residential deck paints and stains that they were using. They know they're not going to work, and they know that it's insanely expensive to have their whole deck sanded and to start that whole process again with them, right? And so we can interject and bring in and then introduce lifetime deck armor at that point. An actual real coating system that can protect their deck. Let's talk about it. Fastener entry points, 100% coverage. So you're talking all the nail and screw holes on this deck filled in, closed off, encapsulated, and waterlocked. No open cracks. So no board cracks, no cracks in wood that are open. The deck restoration painters of Kong armor, they press into cracks and they fill them in. No splinters. So Kong, splinter lock technology, right? And you look at it, it has all the frayed wood and splinters locked down as well, right? Now, first in class, UV block technology. The rays will come down and hit Kong, and they'll deflect back up into the atmosphere where they belong, right? Now, we did more than just peeling deck paint or peeling Behr Deck Over encapsulation here. There's a reason why they call us deck restoration painters or deck rescue painters. It's because we also do restoration and repair the decks at the same time. So we can do almost anything your deck needs, plus get it all locked down in the thickest, toughest, industrial grade elastomer that's available on the planet right now for decks and outdoor structures, all in one shot. For example, here at the Griffin deck, we replaced over 15 rotten boards throughout this floor. We took out everything that was bad and we left everything that could be resurfaced and rebuilt, right? So remove everything that's bad, keep everything that's viable. Huge savings to the homeowner. They're avoiding tear down to frame replacement, right? Now, what else did we do? We tightened up everything here, built brand new gates. So we built a new swinging gate here at the Griffin deck. It's double, so it's a double gate. It's a huge wide opening here, right? But the gate swings this way, and it's latched down there at the bottom. Just a simple latch at bottom. The gate will swing open that way. It'll swing open that way. So it opens that end, and you can come, and it'll come back and open this way too. And so does that door. That door opens either way. Now, over here, we also built a very simple gate. This is to keep in our dogs. So new gate, latches perfectly. Nice black hardware, nice black framing, braces in there that hold everything together. Just beautiful, strong, tough. Now, here's the thing, Kong, all the restoration and repair that we do comes with air-dried, pressure-treated lumber, so it's ready to coat immediately, okay? You don't have to wait months and a year and all that. We can give you finish immediately after repair. Additionally, 316, we've got our own 316 grade Mondo. They're called Mondo stainless steel decking screws. And what they do is we use them on all of our repairs if we can, if possible. The majority of stuff we can use them. And what it does is it prevents fastener corrosion and then the subsequent board rot that comes with that. So basically our repairs, they won't rot. They won't rot away in a couple years like all the other repairs that are being done on wood decks in the tri-state right now, right? Now, what I just told you is we came here to the Griffin deck. We fully restored it. We washed it. We fully restored it. And then we brought in the world's toughest deck coating and we locked down and encapsulated its peeling Behr Deck Over. Now, lifetime deck armor. They call Kong armor lifetime deck armor. It's what's called the lifetime deck armor system. Okay. Warranty for life. Kong comes with an unmatched, locally backed warranty that covers labor and coating lifetime. Okay. It also comes with a lifetime service promise that gives the deck owner access to things like annual cleanings, coating system, what we call regeneration, little tiny spot touch up if something crazy happens, nicks, dings, edges of boards or something if somebody clips up an edge of a board. What's cool about Kong, it can be simply spot touched up and it will blend out years and years and years after its initial applications. What we call a regeneration capable coating system. Once we encapsulate a deck in it, that deck never has to be completely painted or stained again. So it's called the lifetime deck armor system. Now, if you have peeling Behr Deck Over, if you're facing deck replacement, if you have peeling deck paint, disintegrating, flaking deck stain, if you have old rotten boards everywhere, severely weathered wood, if your deck's seen better days, here at Kong Armor, we call it ugly deck, or we call it deck leprosy, one or the other. Sometimes decks have both. They're ugly decks with deck leprosy. Anyways, if you have that, we have a path back to fully restored, locked down, encapsulated, drop dead gorgeous, and protected for life. All locally backed. All you got to do is just visit this website right here. It's callingarmor.com. Right at the top of the page, you'll see a button there, or somewhere on that page. You'll see a button that says Get Free Quote. Click that button, and let's get you into lifetime deck armor. Let's get you a real deck coating system that can actually resurface and rebuild the surfaces of your severely weathered deck, lock it down and protect it for life while keeping it beautiful so you and your family can enjoy it. If you live in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, that's where we serve. So go there now and let's get started. See ya.